guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Today it's the before the last day, it's a day 30. Thank you guys for being here, thank you guys for your support, thank you guys for everything. Thank you so much. Guys, today we will have some Chanel and we will have a limited edition Chanel bag, which is, let's go straight to the point. Just, Barbara, shut up, show the bag. So today we have in the menu this a beautiful MAXI vintage MAXI Chanel bag with this amazing, incredible print on it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but we have some silhouette, some faces on the bag. Like here, I think we have like an earring. At the back it's better to see, so here you have, you know, the neck, the ear, the earring. Here you have a face. On the front it's written Chanel. When I open it, it's written Paris. And yeah, this is an incredible bag. So let's do the bag tour. So the chain is incredible. Look how amazing the bag becomes with the chain. So let's check inside. When you open, you still have the print here, the CC embroidered, and then you have black lining, the slip pocket and a zip pocket. I didn't know, but I received it with the authenticity card and the Chanel booklet. The sticker inside is really damaged, but I could check the date code, and it's, I mean, the sticker and the card match, so this is a great point. It starts with 3, so it's from 94 to 96. 94 to 96. And I found there's some info about this bag on Google, and it's supposed to be a limited edition from 1995, which is one of the best years of Chanel. I really need to watch some videos to see if I can spot it on the catwalk. This bag, there is the same one actually on Vestiaire Collective for sale for, attention, the price, $34,000. 34,000. It's crazy. I don't know who's gonna buy this. It's way too expensive. And I was following another one on eBay that got sold for 8,000, which is still like crazy. And of course I didn't pay a crazy price for it. I paid $2,500 on eBay, and I think it's quite a good deal for a limited edition bag. That it's amazing. But I gotta say that I spent a few days thinking about it and not being sure I was going to get it. I bought it about 2 months ago maximum. Because I was a little bit scared because of the print. There's a lot going on this bag. The print is really like crazy. You have this big CC, and I was like, it's a little bit too much. When you see, you know, normal colors, and this one I was like, I'm not sure I will get it. And then a few days ago I was like, okay, you love the MAXI, it's a really special bag, so get it. And of course when I bought it I knew it was a limited edition one, so that's why I got it. And I don't know, she's amazing when I see her on camera. And of course, this is from Karl Lagerfeld era, and I think, I cannot prove that, but I think this is the kind of, it was his style when he sketches. I will try to find some pictures, and I think, I don't know, I have the feeling this is like Karl's sketches printed on this bag. This bag, the material is quite interesting because it looks like a coated cotton. I think there is like cotton underneath, and this is like a plastic, like thing, to protect it. And I don't know, she's really like special, and I think I'm sure I'm not going to see this bag if I go out with it, so that's cool. And voila, she's really special. And guys, I found yesterday the matching scarf. I bought it and I'm supposed to receive it next week. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, because, yes, I forgot to mention on my French channel, but yeah, some exclusivity for the English channel. Luxury Promise, they have, I saw it on Luxury Promise and I think on eBay too. They have the shirt, the matching shirt, and I was like, oh, I want it. I want the matching shirt, imagine the shirt and the bag. And I went to check the price, and I think it was like 1,500 to 800, and I was like, I'm not going to pay that much for a shirt if I got the bag for 2,500. I don't know if I mentioned before, but yeah, I got it on eBay for 2,500. So I was like a bit like, well, okay, that's life. You cannot, have everything. And when I saw the matching scarf, I was like, this is my chance to have a matching look. Like, I don't know, I didn't even check, the size of the scarf. I just want to receive it and see if I can, style it, I don't know, on my head, to have like a turban, or maybe like a shirt if I lose 100 kilos. And I don't know, try to have something like a little touch on my outfit that's going to match with the bag. Voila, guys, let me know what you think about this one. I don't know, she brings me joy. I don't know how I'm going to wear this bag. Maybe like a full black outfit, or I don't know, like, I think this is going to be like more like a summer handbag. But yeah, can't wait to receive the bag. And I have a question for you guys, because I have a question. Can you guys see the bag? Do you see something strange, like here? I don't know if this is a stain, if something like, or if it's with the bag. I think it's not a stain, and I didn't pay attention when I bought it. But when you look at the bag, I don't feel it. It doesn't feel like, like obvious, because it's so much info that it fits quite good with the bag if it's a stain. Because yeah, here's, it's a little bit more yellow than here. So I don't know if something, just, it looks like a stain that came like this, but you have so much info that I don't have the feeling it's like hyper obvious. But let me know what you guys think about it. And something crazy about it is the smell. The perfume that the lady wore It's amazing. It smells so good. Normally when you buy a vintage bag, you have, you know, this old smell, and this one smells really, really good. Really, you can feel that it was an expensive perfume. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this. What do you think about the bag in general? I think it's like too much. I am not sure when I will be like old, I will be wearing this kind of bags, but who knows. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Je vous fais des gros bisous, and I see you tomorrow for the last video, which is gonna be epic. We will have some Hermès demain, and yeah, Hermès, and it's not going to be like, it's gonna be either a Kelly or a Birkin. It's gonna be a real Hermès unboxing, but vintage, of course. Come on, Babsy goes vintage. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Je vous fais des gros bisous et je vous dis à demain. Bye.